Good morning, FCC family. Today, I'm going to show you how to brew your perfect morning coffee. For this, we would need a coffee brewer, a coffee filter, ground coffee, milk or creamer, and sugar. To brew our coffee, we first put the desired amount of cold water onto the carafe. We then pour the water into the reservoir and put the carafe back onto the heating plate. We then place the filter and add the desired amount of ground coffee onto the filter. In general, we use 1 tablespoon of ground coffee per 5 to 6 fluid ounces of cold water. For a stronger coffee, use 2 tablespoons instead of 1. Close the lid and turn the coffee maker on. Now, we just sit back and enjoy the coffee aroma. Once the coffee is ready, we pour it onto our cup and put the desired amount of milk or creamer and sugar. Want more tasty videos like this? If yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Do you prefer black coffee or coffee with cream? Let me know in the comment section below. Now start your day right with a perfectly brewed coffee. Thank you for watching the Filipino-Canadian Cooking Channel.